Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we just got a quick little unboxing video for you.
That's what she said.
We're going to be doing an unboxing of the Milwaukee high torque impact wrench. Now, I've been dying to do the Milwaukee versus the rigid high torque impact wrench. That was the #1 pick on my poll. If you go to my community tab, I want to say it was like 48% said do the Milwaukee fuel high torque against the rigid high torque here. So we got the big rigid. Let's do a quick unboxing of the Milwaukee and compare the two real quick. Ooh, there she is. Oh. You get the Milwaukee poster with all the tools in it. Owner's manual. What is this? Chance to win some crap. And then you have the main tool itself. It's a lot smaller than it looks in the pictures. In the pictures on mine, it looks humongous. Ooh. All right, slap a 3 high output battery on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look, it's all dirty right here. Look at that. Open item. These sons of... You're gonna hear it when I go back to the store. Oh, the rigid is bigger.
That's what she said.
Well, there you go. That was a quick unboxing of the Milwaukee high torque impact wrench. If you want to see these two impact wrenches go head to head, stick around, slap that like button, slap that subscribe button, guys. You're not gonna want to miss out on this video coming up. I guarantee it's gonna be freaking great. Also, my announcement for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Your pick, guys. One of these two tools is going to be in the drawing for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, guys. Got some other swag I'm going to throw in. The top 5. We announced the next video, the next item I'll give away. But one of these two, you guys can pick it just because I love you guys so much. So stick around. It's going to be a good video, guys. That's my unboxing. Let me know what we should do in the next video with these two bad boys. Thank you so much for your time. This is all I got for today, guys. If you feel like it and want to watch more, click this button right here, or this one. See you next time.